In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a client portal in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go here on the top left and click on Create. From the drop-down menu, go to Templates. This is where we can access all of the available templates provided by ClickUp. Now, if we type in client on the search node, we should have access to all the space, folders, and even list template types of templates that concerns managing our clients. So by using one of these templates, we can make our own client portal. So simply click one, use template, and then let's change the list name to client portal. Now choose where this list would be created. Then for the import options, we can import everything or customize the import items. For the starts and due dates, we can import it as is or remap the dates. And for the archive task, we also have the option to include this task or not. So after setting this up, click on Use Template. ClickUp would then automatically set up our new template. And once it finishes, it should show right here on your left panel and it should open automatically. Now, once it opens, we can now edit the items right here, including those tasks in the list view, add some groups, or change some of the items right here on your ClickUp form, and then edit some of the items here on your table, which means you have complete control and authority to change all the items to fit your client portal. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.